Is the first day of the fire horse that is going to set the tone for your entire incarnation. Your soul has been craving this moment. If you click this video, there is definitely a message, an energy, a healing for your soul, for your DNA to evolve. It's also a new moon, and it's also a solar eclipse in Aquarius. Today is going to change your life for good. I am extremely grateful to be able to step into your life, share a bit of your path, healing path today. I want you to receive these words that I have for you. They're going to help you align with your highest timeline. I'm hearing accelerating the regeneration process of your cells. As I hope you're feeling this energy. We are here to transmute your traumas for negative energy, any low vibrational toxic energy, not to penetrate your soul, your system, for you to vibrate high. We are here with Archangel Michael today. It's a very important day. So please sit comfortably, not being disturbed, and receive now. Kaya ara ini iti oto uru ununu way kiri iya tara iya sara matra mahat. Divine order is very here today. I'm going to read it for you. I am untouchable. My energy field is sealed at the quantum level. My forces that exist before this planet was formed. Every eye that looks at me with envy sees only my glory reflected back at them, and their own frequency turned to sender. I am surrounded by a fortress of light so dense that only love, abundance, and divine favor can penetrate it. Everything else bounces off and returns to its origin multiplied. My destiny is locked. It belongs to me and only me. It cannot be swapped, stolen, redirected, or siphoned by any being or any timeline in any dimensions. My life path is encrypted with my unique soul signature, and only I have the access code. Any entity incarnate or discarnate that attempts to access my destiny finds a sealed vault with no entry point. My past is mine. My blessings are mine. My abundance is mine. My favor is mine. Permanently, irrevocably, sovereignly. My energy is self-generating and self-sustaining. I am closed circuit. Nothing leaves my field without my conscious permission. No person, no entity, no spirit, no consciousness can ever siphon, drain, or redirect my energy. My life force belongs to me. My creative power belongs to me. My sexual energy belongs to me. My spiritual authority belongs to me. I am not an open source. I am a sovereign system with a firewall built by God. I am surrounded by Archangel Michael on every side. His sword is drawn, his fire is active, his presence is permanent. Nothing passes Michael that does not serve my highest good. He stands at every door, every portal, every entry point of my field, and he answers to me and to God alone. Michael does not sleep. Michael does not negotiate. Michael does not grant access to anything that does not carry the frequency of my highest timeline. The netters are active in my field. Amunra holds my crown. Thoughts guards my wisdom. Sekhmet destroys every force that moves against me before it reaches my awareness. Mahat keeps my path in perfect divine order. Hathor fills my life with beauty, music, and pleasure. Horus watches over me with the eye that sees all timelines simultaneously. I am protected by the oldest forces in existence, and they are fully operational in my reality right now. Ani tsara ioko ututu turuyuma edereya susuma aki idiri iniki siyoto uma ata. Aria kotaraki masu kitaye. Amunra niyata ioko uno oto. Amunra iyanata iyo arua. It is done, it is done, it is done. Ara ikatere imokasu uno no. I'm going to transmute your past for it to become your fuel, your abundance. We're going to realign the scale for everything you've been through. That is the doorway, your traumatized experience through parent, toxic family. That is now the doorway for negativity and low vibrational toxic energy is going to collapse now for your abundance to come back multiplied. Igiri ikoto omo osoro uakata yes. Take a deep breath in, please. Ki onuwe sere ikotu manana ye yoko momo we Andromeda tia Andromeda yatsa Andromeda yatsa Andromeda yatsa Connecting to your heart space in a deeper scale. Also waiting, oh no, also ye kana ye kuya. Back to order, back to the light, back to the universe. May you receive what's yours. Thank you for your trust. May you be blessed for eternity. And remember, this is just the beginning. Until next time, Namaste.